Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday, TGIF. Yes, baby. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I hope you guys are staying positive. There's only one way to live your life, and that is staying positive, you guys. Don't feed into negative energy because that will drain you completely dry. Just take my word for it. Okay, so what I am going to be doing today is I'm demonstrating on how I'm supposed to put this darn grinder together. I mean, I was having so much trouble trying to put the headpiece together that I was just getting frustrated. And then my anxiety was just through the roof trying to put this piece together. So eventually I did try to read the directions, and which I should have done in the first place. So I read the directions and I put it together, and it actually came together pretty nicely. So I do like this grinder very, very much. I don't have to worry about what I'm eating in my grinded food anymore, because I tell you, last time I did it, I had a ground turkey burger, and I think it was butterball. It wasn't turkey. It wasn't ground turkey. It was actually ground turkey in a pasta, and it tasted horrible. I mean, like, I was just like, it didn't even taste like real meat. So with this right here, you get to know what you're cooking in your meat. You know it's gonna be chicken. You know what I'm saying? You know it's not gonna be no grinded up whatever they be putting in your meat. So anyways, go ahead and view this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to thumbs it up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So now that I finally got it together, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my beef tips.
Sonic.
So you're probably asking yourself, why the heck is she adding bread to the grinder? Well, I saw a video before I actually purchased the grinder that if you put the bread inside the grinder, it actually pushes the leftover meat that's in the grinder out. So then once the bread starts coming out, you can pretty much stop it. So the bread is not going to hurt the meat. But I tried to stop it because I just bread in the grinder.
Okay, wait a minute. Play your game first. I ain't doing all this back and forth stuff.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and slice up this chunk roast. It's actually the chuck roast, so I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up in like cubes or long size, so we can go ahead and get this shredded. I want to keep the fat on because I'm actually going to use this for burgers, and because they're going to be smoked, there's not going to be a lot of oil draining from the meat because it's more of a leaner meat. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the fat on there, and then we're going to go ahead and grind it. Yeah, I watched so many YouTube videos on grinding meat before I actually got to this point to actually use it for myself. So yes, I feel like I'm a pro at it now. And this is what the ground chuck roast look like. So I mean, doesn't that look fresh compared to what you really be getting in the stores of what they try to sell you guys like crazy? So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the chicken breast. I had actually put it in the grinder long ways, and I later on had to cut them in cubes because they weren't frozen. They kind of have to be a little bit frozen a little bit to go through the grinder just how you want it to be, because sometimes it'll kind of get stuck in the grinder. So because it wasn't frozen, it didn't want to work right. So I ended up cutting them in cubes later on. And this is the final touches. This is the chicken breast burger as well as the chuck roast burger smoked on the grill. It wasn't dried out at all. I love the taste. It definitely tasted different from any kind of grind meat I get at the store. Definitely. So I already know what they be putting in the meats now. I hate to put it out there. Also, you can get this off of eBay for $50.99. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Stay safe and stay blessed, y'all.